Hello everybody! Today's topic is Korean abbreviations. I think Korean is one of the most efficient languages in the world. Especially on the internet, you can express various meanings with one or two simple consonants. And these days, it's so easy to see that tens of millions of people, from very young children to the elderly, actually use abbreviations very widely in their daily life. Of course, I can't agree more that we should protect our beautiful words as it is, but obviously using abbreviations is kind of economical, at least in terms of time efficiency. So I would like to tell you the meanings of 9 frequently used initial consonants, which we call them cho-seong. I think it would be really helpful when trying to understand internet comments as a foreigner. First of all, Hangul is made up of 10 vowels and 14 consonants.
아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 히읗, 티읒, 피읍, 히읗.
Unlike consonants, vowels often express emotions rather than specific words due to its characteristic of vowels. And as I said before, it's possible to express a lot of different words by simply using a few initial consonants. For example, 기역 can be 고기, 감기, 광고, 국가, 근거, 고급, 건강, 기계, 기권, 경고, 관계, 계급, 개그, 공격, 공급, 가구, 고객, 계곡, 공간, 고개, 곳감, 거구, 군기, 기강, 굴곡, and so on. So each of them may mean different, but I'm going to show you the most common ones that more than 90% of Koreans would agree and understand at a glance indisputably.
Let's start with this one. If we just read it as it is, it should be 기역, but we never say it like that. It's Koko, and it's actually based on English. It literally means go. It is commonly used as let's go or let's do it. Here are some examples, especially when you're playing games and if someone says 고고, that means hey, hurry up. Or if your friend asks you 오늘 치맥 고고, means shall we have chicken and beer today? Next one is no. As some of you might expect, it means no. It's so simple to use. For example, 너 과제 다 했어? Did you finish your assignment? No, I didn't. Or no, not yet. 덜덜 is a mimetic word that expresses the trembling of the body when something is frightening or embarrassing. And it is used a lot in succession to the phrase 실화냐? Is it true? Like this. Like it's hard to believe that happens. 비읍 is sometimes used as modified forms of 빠이 or 바이바이. There are different abbreviations of 바이바이, which all mean bye-bye. 이응 is originated from 응 or 응, which is yes in informal Korean. So it's inappropriate to use it to seniors or people who don't know well each other. Besides, it is often used in a negative sense because it contains the nuance of ignoring the other person that is annoying to respond like okay, who cares? 치읒 can be understood in various ways. First, it is widely used when congratulating others. 축하 is transformed into 축하, and it is shortened again as 치읒. Second, it can also mean 출첵, which is abbreviation of 출석 체크, attendance check, so it can be used like this, especially among students. Last one is 추천, which means recommendation in Korean. People use it as its last meaning a lot when seeking the opinions of others on the internet like this. Next one is kiuk. I use this dozens of times a day, and I think you've probably seen it a lot on the internet. It represents the sound of laughter and giggling like kuk. I will explain it in detail again with huhu, which will be introduced soon after. 티읒 simply means run. 튀다 is an informal version of the word 도망치다, which equals to the verb to run away or to flee. So it's an abbreviation of 튀어튀어. Here comes the last one, 히읗. It is also the sound of laughter like 흐흐, 히히, 헤헤. But a lot of people think that it's slightly different from 크크. Of course, each person has their own ways of using it, but I found that the common opinion on the internet that many people agreed is that kiuk is used a lot in really funny situations between close friends, while Hyut is used a lot as a forced laugh or a sad smile that expresses a bit of bitterness among digital strangers or in an awkward situations. Basically, we use kyuk and hyut in funny situations or when we are in a good mood, but there are also a lot of cases where it actually means nothing because it is rather used or attached habitually at the end of the sentence. One last tip. Depending on the gender of the speaker and the number of kyuks, the meaning varies slightly different.
구독과 좋아요, 오케이.
Okay, these are all for today. How was that? I hope it'll be of some help to you when reading comments on YouTube or somewhere else. Today, we ran through some abbreviations with same consonants used twice each. Next time, let's take a look at other ones with 2 or more consonants. Then, please look forward to it. See you next time!